you aim chase and you look like him very trigger happy.
So you have gun?
Yeah, and it's not a water gun neither.
Am I the only person you meet?
Yeah.
Karen Lindo. Distract.
So are the same person you talk about?
Yeah, Karen Lindo. Him street name a Chase. How long you and him talk for?
About roughly 30 minutes.
But you did it for 2 hours.
Agenty, I tell him say police did run me down. So he bring me go somewhere for cool off. You don't expect me to leave after 30 minutes. It's not a job interview I go on.
Sarcasm, I see. So what else you want to talk about in the interview? Him buy a story say you have a phone grabber?
Well, me think it's a little soon to tell. Plus I'm very edgy, so I have to prove myself.
So you give him the story what we that talk about, say you come from outer east?
Yeah, him buy that one day. Plus him take my number too, so I can expect him to call me anytime.
No. That mean we have got arrange with Mr. Mullins. You can get your own space down at the center, so anytime you call, you can talk to him.
Alright, that sounds like a plan. But you don't think we need my own space outside of the center, so if you call me, we can link up. Same time.
That might be a little bit too much at this moment. But when we reach a bridge there, we'll cross it. If you want to link up, tell him say you're going to need a day.
And what if him get suspicious?
Just tell him say the feds are look for you too. So you can't just shoot out so.
Alright. So, what's the next move?
I want you to run him for 1 more week. To see who he might work with or if he have any associates.
Oh, one more thing. Him want me and him go up on the apps for watch him work.
No, that's an absolute no-no. Just tell him say you work alone.
Listen, the youth are very edgy. Plus, he will get suspicious easily, so you have to come up with something quick.
May I give you 3 phones for carry go game. And tell him say you go up on the apps and a then they get.
Alright. That sounds like that can keep him quiet for a while. Cause it look like him have some people who need for supply fast.
That's our next thing. I need to know who he must supply with phone. But not right now. You see 3 phones that we may go give you? I think I'm going to put tracker in them.
I don't think that's a wise option. Cause I aim to all of the software update them. And if him find one, that may be Bantan my thing.
You're right, you know. The youth just seems very smart. But I want you to stay around him for 1 more week. Close to him as possible, but not too close. Because I don't want him to get suspicious, say you watch him or nothing.
Oh yeah, you know me have a name for you. While we did them, they dip on the phone and talk with somebody, I think. Finger.
Finger. That's definitely an associate. I need to know what role he play in an organization.
I don't really want to tell you how for their work. But if the youth and see him work soon, I will get suspicious. Plus, carrying phone to him, now I really cut it.
I know. I go set up on the apps for grab a phone in a Spanish town. That way then you would see your work. Me give the rest of the details. That's it for now. Then I'll come pick you up for carry them in the center.
Oh, agency. So, the apps, that was safe?
No, you know. They're going to arrest you. and them are gonna charge you. Of course you're gonna save. It's gonna be a foolproof plan.
Oh, so you have a sense of humor.
Yes, Roberto, I do. So you think me's a barbarian?
Can I ask you something? Why you sure mother come back when you send up on the apps there?
Cause me think you're smart enough to know say you woulda get in a more trouble. You woulda dip on the run.
But I've been on the run before. I know nothing new to me. Sleep in a hole, live in a forest, sleepless nights, you name it.
Well, let's put it this way. I take a chance with you and hope you would do the right thing.
Or you just decide to use my sister to blackmail me.
Them so come pick you.
Oh, look what you've done to me. Oh, look what you've done to me.
Hey babe, what going? You gonna work already?
Yeah, baby. I'm there as usual in a people's head.
So what time you leave work?
You know, some don't know though. Today might do one lately, right? You know, about 3 people me look on.
You go home early today, no? You go rest up, cause tomorrow might be a long day.
So tomorrow could be one long day, sir.
Until they say a couple places still not have no water, you know. So the mission they will depend on I try restore water to all these more places where they back.
Oh, okay. I hope some people get back to them water because I tell them, yeah, because some of them people when they come on my chair.